Hey fellow YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a scenic drive between Pebble Beach and Carmel called 17 Mile Drive, and we're going to film it. Come along with us. It has some really special stops along the way that we will explain, and it should be a really beautiful drive all along the coast of Pebble Beach in the famous Pebble Beach golf course. Welcome to 17 Mile Drive in Pebble Beach, one of the most famous scenic drives in the world. Before the automobile had become a way of life, horse-drawn carriages explored 17 Mile Drive, starting from the famous Hotel Del Monte, now the site of the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey. It was 1881, and early excursions through Del Monte Forest marked the beginning of visitors to this legendary location. We start off here at Spanish Bay Beach. Spanish explorers camped out here in 1769. They were trying to find the Monterey Bay based on a description from 1602, but it took them over a year. This beautiful beach was named Spanish Bay Beach after their early visit. This stop is called the Restless Sea. The Restless Sea earns its name as one of the most turbulent sections of coastline in the Pebble Beach area. Waves are constantly converging and crashing into each other, likely caused by submerged rocks. The area here on the right is called Point Joe. Early mariners mistook Point Joe as the entrance to Monterey Bay, making it the site of many shipwrecks. In the early 1900s, a man named Joe lived in a driftwood hut here, selling trinkets to tourists and tending to goats. Just after that is China Rock. China Rock was the site of a small Chinese fishing village in the late 1800s. So that par 3 that we just drove by and the course here on the left is called Spyglass Hill Golf Course. So in addition to the numbered sites, there's also these little pull-out areas where you can stop and hike and have a picnic and get more down into the sea area. So they're kind of cool as well. Straight ahead there, out in the ocean, is Bird Rock. This wildlife hub is buzzing with birds, harbors seals, and barking sea lions. Bird Rock was actually covered in 4 to 5 feet of pelican and cormorant guano until 1930 when it was harvested as a fertilizer. Sea lions took advantage of the cleaned off perch and have been sunbathing there ever since. And just after Bird Rock is Seal Rock. This tucked away beach at the mouth of Seal Rock Creek is a great spot to stretch your legs and explore. Picnic, explore tide pools, or hike on the boardwalk toward the colorful gingerbread house located across the street. And just ahead here on the right is Fan Shell Beach Overlook. Fan Shell Beach is one of the primary pupping habitats for harbor seals on the central coast. This section here is called Crocker Grove. It is home to the largest and oldest Monterey cypress trees in existence. It's named after Charles Crocker, the railroad baron responsible for building the luxurious Hotel Del Monte in Monterey and the original 17-mile drive. Pebble Beach contains one of only 2 native Monterey cypress forests in the world. The other is across Carmel Bay at Point Lobos State Park. Here we are pulling into the famous Cypress Point Lookout. Cypress Point Lookout offers a spectacular spot to catch sunsets thanks to its southwest views. The pure white sand of the beach below is home to harbor seals who each spring return to bear their young. And here we are at the Lone Cypress. For more than 250 years, this world-famous lone cypress tree has braved the elements atop its rocky pedestal overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Known as Midway Point on the original 17-mile drive, this iconic tree has been the logo for Pebble Beach Resorts since its founding in 1919. Here we're entering the Pebble Beach Visitor Center and the Pebble Beach Golf Links. This is a great area to stop, have lunch. They have a great general store here with wine, champagne, foods, sandwiches. You can walk through the Pebble Beach Hotel, which is magnificent. It has about, I think, 4 or 5 restaurants within it and bars. It's just a beautiful, beautiful area and a great place to stop and stretch your legs. Just here on the right is the Pebble Beach Golf Bag Drop, and hole 1 is right there in that little curved area. Imagine Tiger Woods teeing off and winning the Pebble Beach Trophy in 2000. So after leaving the Pebble Beach Golf Course in the Visitor Center, we kind of meander along hole 1 and 2 here and 3 in more of a residential area. These homes are in the $30 to $40 million range in case you're looking to upgrade to a new home. And this kind of meanders down into Carmel. If you go to the left, you'll continue on 17-mile drive into a wooded area and brings you back up to Route 1. But we're going to go to the right, which again leads us down into the city of Carmel by the sea.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand